Hi, I'm Andy, and I am a customer service representative here at Skytech Wireless Control Systems. And I'm here today to talk to you about installing an all-battery operated remote control system into your current fireplace. There are two ways that you can connect your new Skytech control system to your hearth product. You can connect them to the existing wall switch used to operate the fireplace, or you can connect directly into the millivolt gas valve, usually located in the lower cavity of the fireplace. Let's talk about the all-battery operated remote control replacing a low voltage wall switch. Here are all the parts you will need. One handheld transmitter, one battery operated receiver with wire kit, one wall plate for wall mount installation, 4 AAA batteries for the transmitter, 4 AA batteries for your receiver, and an accessory bag with 1 black hearth mount slide switch cover, 1 wall mount slide switch cover, and screws to mount the wall plate to a standard electrical box. Locate the fireplace wall switch and remove the faceplate to expose the low voltage wires connected to the switch. Loosen the screws on the wall switch and remove the wires from the existing switch and discard the old switch in preparation for the next step. Locate the wires connected to the terminal block on the back of the receiver. You will see a small block set with a Phillips head screw inside the block. Loosen the screws to open the internal block, being careful not to completely remove these screws, and remove the existing wires from the receiver block, discarding the wires. Insert the wires from the wall switch in the receiver block and tighten the Phillips head screws to hold the wire firmly in place. The wires can be installed in either of the terminal blocks because there is no need to consider polarity. Install the 4 AA batteries in the receiver, making sure they are installed correctly with the flat end of the battery against the spring. Replace the cover on the battery compartment. These batteries will need to be replaced once a year to ensure problem-free operation of the Skytech remote control. Install the white wall plate by lining up the Learn button on the receiver with the Learn hole on the wall plate. Place one tab of the wall plate into the groove on the receiver and snap the opposite side on to firmly install the wall plate. Install the white slide switch button cover on the front of the white wall plate and place the switch in the remote position. Install batteries, either 1 to 4 batteries depending on the transmitter, into the handheld transmitter. On the front of the white wall plate, you'll see a Learn button recessed in the wall plate receiver. Using a small screwdriver or pencil, press and release the Learn button. A single beep will be heard indicating the receiver is ready to be paired with the transmitter. Press the on or mode button on the handheld transmitter. The receiver will beep multiple times, accepting the security code. The transmitter and receiver are now paired and ready for use. Using the white screws supplied in the accessory bag, install the receiver with the white wall plate back into the wall box where the original low voltage wall switch was installed. Now let's talk about the all battery operated system, attaching it directly to the millivolt gas valve. Install the 4 AA batteries in the receiver, making sure they are installed correctly with the flat end of the battery against the spring. Replace the cover on the battery compartment. These batteries will need to be replaced once a year to ensure problem-free operation of the Skytech remote control system. Install the black receiver slide button on the front of the receiver. Place the switch in the remote position. Install the batteries, either 1 to 4, depending on the remote control, into the handheld transmitter. On the front of the receiver, you'll see a Learn button recessed in the front of the receiver. Using a small screwdriver or pencil, press and release the Learn button. A single beep will be heard, indicating the receiver is ready to be paired with the transmitter. Press the On or Mode button on the handheld transmitter. The receiver will beep multiple times, accepting the security code. The transmitter and receiver are now paired. Locate the fireplace gas valve. In many fireplaces, the valve is located on the front bottom of the fireplace, behind a fold-down or removable louver. Please refer to the fireplace installation instruction for additional details on the location of the gas valve. The millivolt gas valve has 3 terminals to connect wires. Those terminals are labeled TH, TP, and THTP. We are going to connect the 2 wires from the receiver to the terminals labeled TH and THTP. The receiver wires will slide onto the post of the TH and THTP terminals. The wires can connect to either terminal as they are not polarity sensitive. Place the receiver into the lower cavity of the fireplace, either toward the front or to the far side, and replace the front panels of your fireplace, and you're all done. That's it for this video, but you can always find out more information on our website by going to www.skytechpg.com. Also, if you're experiencing any troubles with your system, please feel free to give us a call at 855-498-8324, and we would be happy to help you with your Skytech control system.